Life before Brandfolder was definitely chaotic for us. We were using Dropbox. We didn't have an organized, streamlined system to manage our assets. Everybody had their own way of doing things. People would save files with different naming conventions, and we never knew if this asset was the most up-to-date asset. My name is Celeste Hawthorne, and I am the Consumer Channel Manager here at Quicksilver Scientific. What I do is I look after the consumer side of our business. I focus mainly in 3 areas: our retail growth, our direct-to-consumer growth, and our presence on Amazon. Quicksilver Scientific is a very exciting place to be working at. We are one of the fastest growing wellness companies in the country, and that's because we've seen great demand with our practitioner and consumer base. The reason we're seeing that demand is we've really pioneered a complete health solution. We have testing where we can test toxicity levels in your body. We have detoxification protocols which help you detoxify. And then we have a line of pharmaceutical grade supplements. Because we're a product-driven company, we require a lot of assets. That's where Brandfolder has played a key role. We're a small but mighty team, and we have to conquer a lot in one day, and to spend our time looking for assets and then not being totally confident that it is the right asset caused a lot of frustration. The whole process itself was a big stopgap in our business. Brandfolder for Quicksilver has really been a game changer. It's been a way for us to organize all of the great content that our teams work so hard to generate. It's raised our level of professionalism. We're able to get information quickly, which is crucial for our business, and we're able to launch these products in a really big way because we're able to share assets. I had actually worked with Brandfolder at a previous company and thought it was absolutely fabulous. When I brought it to Quicksilver, it became a game changer for every single department. Every team uses it in some capacity, starting from our customer service team when they are directly interacting with customers who call in who have questions about the product. While they're on the phone with the customer, our customer service team can immediately go to Brandfolder and email them a very comprehensive link.
My name is Callie Freestone, and I am the Customer Experience Manager for Quicksilver Scientific. I look through the customer experience from start to finish, and we make sure that we are giving the customers everything they need to be successful with the products. What I was able to do with Brandfolder is go into our communications and make templates and say, okay, this person wants to know about our push-catch detoxification process. You're actually giving them the information they need in a really easy way for customers. I click this link. Here's everything I need. It's right there in front of me. And then it's easy for my agents, so I'm not spending 10 minutes making this email, I'm spending 1 minute making this email, and I'm on to the next caller. It was really exciting coming into this role and knowing that I was not just gonna have to create all of these materials again myself and house them, but I could just add in links, and that would work for our chats, it would work for our email messages, one for consumer, one for practitioner, and not have to go repeat that work all the time. It's major for efficiency.
As a marketer, Brandfolder has helped us achieve our goals in terms of timing for product launches. We have our own research and development lab here on site. We have our own manufacturing facility here and our own bottling. So our speed to market is very, very nimble, is very quick. We like to launch our products in step with our partners that are also selling our products. So it's really crucial that we use Brandfolder to communicate with all of these partners. Hey, here's all the educational pieces that you need to know. Hey, here are some digital assets that you can utilize for your own marketing campaigns. Brandfolder has enabled us to do that. Additionally, we're not bugging the creative team all the time. The hours saved where they're not having to find assets for anybody else or they're not having to recreate assets takes a lot of pressure off of the creative team, which improves relationships. Brandfolder has had a positive effect on our revenue because we are just doing business better, faster, and more efficient.